Hey YouTubers, this is me, Sean, but you can hear. I just want to make this quick video. I thought I might send a message to Thunderbolt 1000 Productions, who does mostly train crash documentaries and other stuff, because I have a suggestion of one you should do. I'm right now in Oneida, New York, where one of them happened in 2007, where one derailment actually occurred there with some from freight train from CSX, which owns that track through upstate New York. I thought I might show you where the derailment might happen, and I was 5 years old when that derailment, I believe, took place. So I believe the derailment would happen somewhere right around, somewhere west of here. I probably happened at, I believe the derailment happened somewhere over there. And it caused a large fire so big it could be seen from that bridge over there. And that's the bridge. I actually rail fanned under that bridge a few times. So you should get some suggestions or stuff. Come on. Is it? What's going on?